It's been almost a week since the deadliest earthquake in decades hit the remote southeastern region of Afghanistan near the Pakistani border. Afghan and international relief teams are striving to deliver emergency aid to the hard-hit Paktika and Khost provinces. Lack of proper roads accurately serving of the affected people, poor telecommunication and several other factors have been challenging the relief efforts. Authorities and the Taliban government said while coordinating relief efforts with national and international humanitarian organizations, lack of resources, equipment and financial support have been the major hurdles responding to the disaster.
Unfortunately, the Ministry for Disaster Management does not have the capability to facilitate permanent shelters on its own. We do not have access to the necessary equipment. It is now the responsibility of the international community to assist our people in this regard.
International humanitarian organizations have also concerns about the permanent sheltering and reconstruction of the affected houses. They say long-term plans are needed. The UN Office for Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs, OCHA's representative said they have a 3-month plan for emergency aid, but a long-term reconstruction plan in the quake-affected areas is a serious need.
When the temperature drops, and there's a need for most of the affected population to get access to decent housing. And therefore, our colleagues who are focusing on providing basic human needs, they're looking at that part. We don't have a plan for it so far.
Several humanitarian agencies and nations, including Iran, Pakistan, Qatar, and the United Arab Emirates, have responded with assistance for the affected communities. China has pledged aid worth $7.5 million. 2 Chinese military cargo planes carrying relief supplies and an Afghan Airlines shipment loaded with relief aid has already landed in Kabul. Health officials have concerns regarding the drop in the temperature and stress on immediate response to the disaster.
There are mountainous areas with very cold geography. The percentage of temperature level will be dropping below zero in a month there, and that would be a condition where children, women, and the elderly people won't be able to live in the shelter tents.
The United Nations launched an emergency appeal for $110 million on Monday to help more than 360,000 Afghans impacted by the earthquake for the next 3 months. As some serious challenges affect relief efforts in the hardest hit areas of Paktika and Khost provinces, Afghans are concerned about transparency and aid disbursement. Ismail Abbasin, CGTN, Kabul.